Dropshipping is a way to earn money selling products that are shipped from one place and delivered to another. A dropshipper does not own the inventory, but instead purchases goods in bulk before reselling them at a slight cost to the customer. With this kind of business, it's easy for mistakes, such as forgotten orders or lost payments, to be costly. Fortunately, there are some things you can do to prevent these problems from occurring in your own business. If you're looking for your business to be more profitable, then dropshipping is the way to go. Before you can get started with a successful dropshipping business, you need to know what the process entails. In this video, we will reveal everything you need to know about how to start a dropshipping business of your own. What is a dropshipping business? A dropshipping business is a type of online business that sells products throughout online marketplaces, such as Spotify, Amazon, or eBay.com. The seller will offer quality products to the public, which then are paid for by the owner of the online marketplace. Starting a dropshipping business is easy and can be done in less than 1 hour. There are 3 key steps to creating a successful dropshipping business. The first is to choose the correct product. The second is to find suppliers for products you've chosen. And the third is building your landing page. You'll need about 10 minutes for each of these steps, so it will only take about 3 hours to start your own business. Why would you want to start one? Starting a dropshipping business is a great way to enter the world of entrepreneurship and make some money. There are many different reasons you may want to start one. One of the best ways to start is by setting up a website where you can sell your products. Once you have a website, it's very easy to start advertising on Facebook and Instagram, which will increase your visibility. If you are looking to start a dropshipping business, there are many benefits to consider. You don't need a sort of special skills or knowledge, and the progress is fast. As a matter of fact, you can make money fairly quickly with a dropshipping company.